See, pot cut. It's cut inside the pot. It's bucket. Hello, bucket. What do you want? What are you doing here, huh? What made you step on the bucket? Or on a pot? Are you a plant now, huh? So you're a plant. Is it fun inside the bucket, huh? Is it fun inside here? Alright, okay, bye-bye.